I have Honey Nut Cheerios. So you know how on the commercials Honey Nut Cheerios are usually, and all Cheerios are usually portrayed as being a health food. And in a way they're not the worst you can choose, but they're not the best either. So something you can look at that you probably haven't looked at before that's really important is the amount of ingredients that are in the packaging. So in this, there's about 15 ingredients, which is a lot. And when you look at a lot of ingredients, it usually means that it's farther from nature. And the closer to nature a food is, the better for your body it will be, and the better your body will use it. And then another thing to look for, which you've probably heard before, is fiber. So in 3/4 cup, it only has 2 grams of fiber, which isn't horrible, but it's not great either. So a lot of people tend to look at calories, but calories are not all created equal, and I'll show you when I show you the healthier cereal. So this one is going to get the boot. Okay, shredded wheat. This is one of the best cereals you can get. If you look at the ingredients, it just says whole grain wheat. It's one ingredient in the entire thing, that's all it is. So that means it's as close to nature as it possibly can be, which means your body will use it more efficiently and it'll slow digestion because of the amount of fiber it has. It has 6 grams of fiber in 1 cup. So that means your body's gonna slow down the digestion, you're gonna store less of it as fat. And if you look, the calories are actually more than they are in the Honey Nut Cheerios, but in that I said that not all calories are created equal, that's more important than the amount of calories. So we'll keep this one.